How to fix WarDogs error code 1147405308 failed to authenticate with online services. Hello friends, when trying to launch the game WarDogs, some users are shown in queue and some get this error code 1147405308. The main culprit behind this case is server-side issue. You can check server status for WarDogs. Launch a browser. Type WarDog server status in the address bar. Open this page. WarDog server status. Is it down? And check if the server is down. 5 reports in last 15 minutes, more than normal, quiet period, but short of an outage. Worth checking back. It means server is not perfectly working. So wait until the issue is solved. You can check on Reddit also. Same here, trying to use servers. Can't seem to join any server. Every server gives server queue is full. I am also getting this. All the users are complaining about the problem from server. So wait until the server is fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.